Open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand cameras. Right-click your camera. Click on Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for updated driver software. Now your drivers should be updated. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Click on Search for updates. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Settings. Open Settings. Click on System. Locate Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Locate Camera. Press Run. Wait for your camera to be repaired. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand cameras. Right-click your camera and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your camera driver. Press Next. Now your driver should be installed. Close the window and restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Settings. Open Settings. Open Privacy. Click on Camera. Enable camera access to this device. Enable Allow apps to access your camera. Scroll down and check if your app can access your camera. If your app is disabled, just turn it on. Enable this so your desktop apps can access your camera. Now close your window. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand cameras. Right-click your camera and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Uninstall device. Press Uninstall. Now restart. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Go to Create Windows 11 Installation Media and press Download Now. Save the file. Double-click the file you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language and edition. Press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Save it as Windows 11. Wait for the file to be downloaded. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 ISO file. Click on Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Press Accept. Select Keep Personal Files. If you want to do a clean install, click on Change What to Keep. Press Next. Wait for the update to be installed. Now your problem should be fixed.